In this tutorial, I will explain very important website for performing simulation and performing experiments related to science, engineering, computer science. So, website is VLabs. So, it is a virtual labs website. So, when you open this website, you can see it is an initiative of Ministry of Education under the National Mission on Education through ICT, and you can read the objectives and you can see the different areas of virtual labs. So you can see there are virtual labs which are related to electronics and communication, computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and you can see physical sciences, chemical sciences also. So let's open any of these. So I'm going to open a virtual lab of physical sciences. So when you click on a physical sciences virtual lab, you will see different virtual labs. You can see a advanced mechanics virtual lab, basics of physics lab, and there are different labs which are related to physics. You can see. So click on any of the labs. So for this demo, let's click on this basics of physics lab. And when you click on basics of physics lab, you can see the objective and you can see the list of experiments. So click on list of experiment. You can see the different experiments which are related to physics. So you can see there are different experiments. So let's click on any experiment, and here you can read the aim of the experiment, theory of the experiment. Similarly, pre-test, you can test the knowledge before proceeding for this experiment. You can find the procedure, you can perform the simulation, and this part is very important, simulation. So just click on turn on, and you can place lens A. So just perform all the steps and you can calculate the focal. So similarly you can turn on, place lens B, and you can place turn off on, and you can place both lens. And you can perform the simulation of the experiment. Let's try another experiment. Again go to the basics of physics lab, and you can see the any of the experiment. So let's click on this and go to the simulation. You can read the theory, pre-test, procedure, simulation, and you can perform the experiment with the help of virtual lab. You can perform the simulation. So let's try another lab. So let's try the chemical sciences lab, and you can see the different labs. So just click on this lab, physical chemistry lab, and here you can see the list of experiments, and just click on any of the experiment. So I'm going to click on this experiment, and here you can read the theory, procedure, pre-test, simulation, and here you have to follow the instructions. For example, click on the sample beaker, and now click on the solvent beaker, click on the motor, click on the IR plate, click on the this one, click on sample breaker. So this way you can perform the simulations. So just follow the instructions and you can perform the simulation of the experiment. So you must try all these experiments. These are very important if you are studying a particular subject. Now let's try computer science and engineering. labs. And here you can see there are so many labs. You can see artificial neural networks lab, computer organization lab. Similarly, you can see the data structures lab. So just click on data structure lab, and here you can see the list of experiments. So let's perform the bubble sort, and here you can see the overview of the experiment. You can check the knowledge, then apply the bubble sort. Here you can see the aim of the experiment, concept, algorithm, everyone is explained here. And for demo part, just click on demo part, and it will tell you how bubble sort will perform the experiment. Just click on the sort and then click on the next, and this way you will be able to learn how bubble sort will sort these elements. So there are so many labs, so many experiments available in the virtual labs that you can try, and you must have some knowledge of how you can apply these experiments. So just try, and there are so many uh, other virtual labs which are not related to my field, but you can have a demo, you can perform the various experiments. So it will help you in teaching, and it will also make teaching learning uh, very effective. So that's all for this part. Thank you.